Yung depression, gawa-gawa lang ng mga tao yan. Gawa ng sarili.
Oo, depression nila. Ito lang yung sarili nyo. Tapos nagkakaroon ng sakit.
Have you felt overwhelmed but still told yourself, I'll be fine? In a world where we are constantly connected, millions of people still feel alone. And that's the reality of mental health today. Mental health is not just a personal issue, it is a global crisis. According to the World Health Organization, around 1 in every 8 people in the world lives with a mental health disorder. That means hundreds of millions of people are silently struggling every day. But here's the problem. Many people do not speak up. Why? Because of fear, stigma, and the belief that their feelings are not important. This issue exists everywhere. From highly developed countries to community like ours, no one is exempt. Here in the Philippines, mental health is still often not taken seriously, especially by older generations. Many times, when someone expresses stress or anxiety, they are dismissed as OA instead of being heard and supported. Among students, academic pressure, family expectations, financial problems, and social media comparisons can make people feel anxious, exhausted, and lost. Some wake up every day pretending to be okay, when in reality, they are fighting battles no one else can see. And when these struggles are ignored, they can affect not only individuals, but also families, schools, and society as whole. But here's the truth, we have the power to make a difference. It starts with something simple, listening without judgment, check on your friends, be kind with your words, and most importantly, remind people that asking for help is not a sign of a weakness, but a sign of strength. We must create a world where mental health is treated just as important as physical health. Because sometimes, the most powerful thing you can say to someone is, you're not alone.